What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to talk about a topic which has been my favorite since I've learned it. You know what it is? No, of course you don't. You're not a mind reader. It is a science-related topic, which is acid rain. Acid rain, acid rain, acid rain. So, today we will be in more depth to it. We will talk about what it is, what are the causes of its formation, what are the effects to humans and to our environment. So, are you guys excited? Let's go to our first destination. Hi guys! So while I'm waiting for it to rain and before we proceed to our main topic, which is acid rain, let us first talk about what is rain. So rain is the main liquid form of precipitation. In order for rain to happen, tiny droplets called water vapor collide together to form a larger drop of water. This process of colliding water vapor is called coalescence. Coalescence happens when water droplets combine together and the accumulation droplet is heavy enough, it will fall down as a rain. So there's no rain. I'm still waiting for the rain. A natural unpolluted rainwater has a pH scale level of 5.6, which means it is slightly acidic because of the presence of three chemical compound substances. These three substances are carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. But mostly, rain is composed of carbon dioxide gas. When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it produces carbonic acid that makes the water slightly acidic. So now that we are done with a little bit of summary of how normal rain or liquid precipitation is formed, let us move on and discuss what acid rain is. Acid rain is made of combined pollutants that make the rain acidic. It has a pH level of less than 5. The pH scale is used to measure the acidity and alkalinity of a substance. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, higher than 7 is basic, and lower than 7 is acidic. Acid rain is a type of an acid deposition. There are two types of acid deposition. There is a wet deposition and dry deposition. Wet deposition consists of rain, snow, and fog, while dry deposition consists of gas and dust that became acidic. Both types of acid deposition are harmful to living and non-living things. Acid rain is caused by chemical reaction of industrial pollutants. Industrial pollutants produces sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen gas has more sources. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule, which means it is not chemically reactive and do not affect other chemicals. Moreover, when exposed to a very high temperature, nitrogen collides with oxygen and produces nitrogen monoxide. High temperatures can be produced through human activities such as burning fossil fuels and production of electricity in power plants. High temperature can also be produced in natural form like soil bacteria, lightning, and natural fires. I will show you two types of chemical reaction involving nitrogen oxide gas. When nitrogen gas and oxygen gas combine, it produces a nitrogen monoxide gas. Nitrogen monoxide gas collides with oxygen gas. It produces nitrogen dioxide. This is a synthesis chemical type of reaction. A nitrogen dioxide gas, when dissolved with water, it produces nitric and nitrous acid. It is a decomposition chemical reaction. On the other hand, sulfur dioxide gas are produced through burning of minerals and from electrical power stations that burn coal produces sulfur dioxide. So this is how sulfur dioxide gas are produced through burning of minerals. Metal sulfide combines with oxygen gas. It produces metal oxide and sulfur dioxide gas. This is a single displacement type of reaction. This one is how electrical power stations that burn coal produces sulfur oxide. Sulfur combines with oxygen gas, it produces sulfur dioxide gas. This is a synthesis chemical type of reaction. When sulfur dioxide gas combines with water, it produces sulfurous acid. This is a synthesis chemical type of reaction. Sulfur trioxide is made when water droplets catalyze reaction between oxygen gas and sulfur dioxide gas in air, producing sulfur trioxide. This reaction is also a synthesis chemical reaction. Although nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide gas are present in the normal rainwater, if these two chemical compounds are produced rapidly and excessively through human activities such as combustion processes, it will significantly increase the pH level of rainwater and turn into an acid rain. Acid rain is harmful to both humans and environments and even damage infrastructures. It also cause skin damage when being exposed to acid rain. Acid can cause serious health problems to humans. Humans can acquire respiratory disease because of air pollution with the presence of nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. These diseases are asthma, bronchitis that make it hard for people to breathe properly.
Rain can be extremely harmful to forests. When acid rain falls into the soil, it dissolves nutrients like calcium that the trees need to be healthy. Acid rain makes aluminum in the soil reactive, which prevents the trees to take up water they needed. Trees on the mountains are at a greater risk because they are exposed to acidic fogs and clouds, which has a greater amount of acids. These acidic fogs and clouds take away important nutrients from the leaves that makes this unhealthy and prone to insects and infections.
Rain damages rivers, lakes, streams, and other aquatic resources. Maybe without pollution, bodies of waters would probably have a pH level of 6.5 or nearly neutral. Acid rain makes the water acidic that causes the waters. Acidic water combined with aluminum makes the water toxic to fishes and other aquatic animals. Acid rain can also damage buildings, infrastructure, statues, and etc. Acids present in an acid rain reacts with stones, steels, and paints that makes object look old. Acid deposition is a problem in the eastern part of Canada because the water in the soil lack in alkalinity. Therefore, it couldn't neutralize waters and soil naturally. Provinces of Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia are the most affected part of acid deposition because they couldn't stop the damaging effects of high acidity level. As Canada's response, Canada created the 1985 Eastern Canada Acid Rain Program. In this program, they aim to reduce the production of sulfur dioxide to 2.3 tons to be met by 1994 and maintained until 2000 in the 7 eastern provinces, from east of Manitoba to Saskatchewan. In 1991, Canada and United States had their air quality agreement. Both countries have their commitment. First, that is to cut sulfur and nitrogen oxide emissions. Second, it is to ensure the protection of the environment. Third, protect the clean areas. And fourth, emissions monitoring. Since 1991, both countries have made significant progress. In 1998, the Canadian Council of Ministers of Environment released Canada-wide acid rain strategy for post-2000. The main elements include reducing sulfur dioxide emissions in eastern Canada and the US, protect clean areas from degradation, maintain monitoring programs, report regularly to Minister and the public, Environment Canada latest acid science assessment is in 2004. It states about how can they still reduce pollutants, especially sulfur dioxide. It also states how they can repair the damage done by the acid rain. They're also figuring out how can they still protect the animal and the environment. Hey guys! So this episode is nearly done and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned about what we've talked about acid rain. So I would like to acknowledge the book behind my detailed and interesting topic. It is a macro horizon chemistry 11. Thanks to this, I've been able to discuss everything to you about acid rain. So acid rain is in 9.3, chapter 9.3. If you guys interested, you can just borrow it from the library or in the schools. You can read every chapter of this book. This book is interesting. This book is fantastic. So I'm encouraging you to just read it if you have time, if you have leisure time. You can just get it from the library and read everything about this. It will widen your vocabulary. I assure that. So guys, thank you for joining this episode. I hope I will see you again next time. Bye-bye! So hi guys! I'm waiting for it to rain. Wet deposition consists of rain, snow, or fog, and acid rain can cause serious effects and health problems to humans. Humans can acquire respiratory